Africa's road to the 2026 FIFA World Cup is heating up. Seven African nations are still fighting for a spot at the biggest football stage on earth. Morocco and Tunisia are already through, but the rest of the continent, it's absolute chaos. Egypt are one win away from qualifying. Senegal lead Group B, but the DR Congo and Sudan still have hope. Cape Verde are one victory away from making history, their first ever World Cup. In Group C, South Africa's dreams took a huge hit after FIFA punished them for fielding an ineligible player. Now Benin, Nigeria, Rwanda are back in the race. Come on, Bafana! Ivory Coast are just ahead of Gabon in Group F. Algeria are almost there in Group G, and Ghana are closing in too. Only the group winners qualify automatically, while the best runners-up will face players for Africa's final tickets. Ho ho! Who do you think will make it to North America in 2026? Drop your predictions down below. This is 2025 How to Sports AR Mental Growth, bringing you the latest World Cup updates. Bafana, go!